Thanks for logging on to abc15.com. I'm meteorologist Iris Hermosillo. Monsoon moisture making a return into our state, and that's going to bring us a chance for storms. But this evening, you've also got to watch out for dust as storms will fire up across southern Arizona, and that could certainly send some strong winds and dust our way. There is a threat of an isolated storm this evening with the chance of some showers through the overnight hours. As you look at the storm risk, you'll notice most of the state included in it now because that monsoon moisture is back. We had a disturbance south of our state down in Mexico, that helping usher in that moisture, and that moisture again is going to come into play as we go into this afternoon. Watch for storms to develop along the Mogollon Rim and the higher terrain across our state. For the valley through the mid-afternoon, just an isolated threat, although I think most of the valley stays fairly quiet through the afternoon. This evening, though, you'll have to watch those storms to our southeast, as again they're going to get started, going to develop across southeast Arizona. They could kick out some strong winds that could then send that dust our way in time for the evening commute. Then watch how after 8 o'clock we could see some more widespread showers in the valley heading into the overnight hours with that rain possible tonight. So those storm chances going up after 5 o'clock especially, but the rain chances after 5 o'clock, the dust after about 8 o'clock, the better rain chances, and the rain chances sticking around through the overnight hours. There is that potential for some strong damaging winds if we do manage to get any thunderstorms in the valley. Again, that dust threat approaching the moderate to high range as we could see some strong winds. Heavy rain a possibility with any of the stronger storms that develop too. So be on the lookout for that, and know that our storm chances are staying in the forecast through the weekend into very early next week. So tonight, a chance for rain. We could see some showers tomorrow morning. I think tomorrow afternoon into the evening looking a little quieter, especially if we start out with some thick clouds and some rain tomorrow morning. But then Saturday, we start to see those storm chances go back up, and by Saturday afternoon and evening could be active around the valley. Our humidity going up over the next few days too, so that's going to put our feels like forecast in the muggy to sticky range, especially Friday into Saturday. But then drier air starts to push in Sunday and into early next week. That'll drop those humidity levels again. As you look at temperatures today across the state, it's not going to be as hot as it was yesterday, but we will at least approach 110 here in Phoenix, topping out at 108 degrees, 93 in Sedona, 81 today in Flagstaff. Across the valley, that average high 105 again will be above that today, but we will be cooler than we were yesterday afternoon. Temperatures overnight dropping into the mid to upper 80s. Again, we could still have some showers and thunderstorms around by the time you get going tomorrow morning. Across the state, temperatures dropping into the 60s in Sedona, mid to upper 80s out in Bullhead City and Lake Havasu and Quartzsite. As you look at that temperature trend over the next 7 days, we will see that temperature dropping as that monsoon moisture increases through the weekend. Those storm chances sticking around. Temperatures will drop into the low hundreds by Sunday, and then it will dry out early next week. See more sunshine and those temperatures right around average by Wednesday.